Energy, from cooking to cars to computers, it is fundamental to modern life. You've probably noticed making and using energy has an impact. But how would you go about reducing that impact? It's difficult to know where to start, isn't it? Luckily, you have come to the right place because this is the story of energy. Let's start with the mobile phone, something that almost all of us own. Like all other gizmos and gadgets we have in our lives, your phone uses energy. So every second that it is plugged in, your electricity bill would be creeping up, and it all adds up too, with the typical house using around 3330 kilowatt hour per year. To travel from power station to your house, electricity has to travel on high voltage on top of these big old metal pylons. Well, weirdly, this method is quite inefficient as transporting electricity actually requires some of its own power. Nuclear, coal, and gas are most methods of generating electricity. We do use some forms of renewable energy like wind, solar, and hydro, but currently these only provide a fraction of our needs. This usage of coal and gas results in around 5.3 billion tons of CO2 emissions. Okay, let's now revisit our trusted mobile. Still plugged in, of course, but that's not the only thing in this house that needs power. Since 1970, the average number of electronic goods in average household has trebled, contributing to a 600% increase in energy consumption. And charging mobile phones is just the tip of the iceberg. We all leave devices on standbys, forget to switch off lights, and in general, use electric devices that we don't really need. This will cause the fossil fuels like gas to run out. Also, fossil fuels cause problems to people and the planet. So it's clear we need to change our relation with energy. But how? First and foremost, you can use less. Secondly, think about switching to a green energy or even generating your own electricity. You can create the change. Switch to green energy, switch to unplugged.